Today I'm going to be doing a review and tutorial on the Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlight Blush Sticks. There's 3 of them. These have been obviously all over the internet. Hugely popular product. They just recently had a collaboration with Disney celebrating their 100-year anniversary, I think. So they issued these ones, but they're the same exact product as the classic ones. But I thought it would be a great time to do a review and tutorial on them because they are so gorgeous, and I'll show you how I like to apply them and just like what the hype is about these products. So it's like a bronzy color, a blushy color, and a champagne color. So I'll start by swatching them and talking about them a bit on my arm. So it's in this gorgeous kind of squeezy tube gold packaging, and it has one of those squeeze tube ends. Took me a minute to figure out how to use this, but I got it. And then you just twist the end and then gently press the product and it slowly comes out. You can see this one is called Spotlight. So it's actually like, it looks like it's going to be darker in the packaging, but it's really just a kind of gorgeous shimmery golden color. I barely applied any, and you can see how high impact that glow is. Twist it back and put it in here so it doesn't explode on me. A more diffuse glow, but you can apply it however you like. But that's a gorgeous shade. This color would look better, great on everyone. I'm actually surprised that it's a bit lighter. You can see a little bit of a change on the tone. Look great on everyone. It's just a really gorgeous color. That is Spotlight. The next one is Pink, which I think this one was hugely popular. This one is quite pink, considering the other one looked like it was going to be dark, but it actually was quite light. Look how pigmented that is, like crazy. So this definitely you want to apply in the blush highlight area, not just the highlight area, because it is so pigmented. The other one you can kind of just apply in the highlight area. And then obviously with a bit of blending, see the product blend out a bit, but there is still quite a blushy tone to it. So this is definitely like a combo between a blush and a highlight product. Very different between the 2 shades. But how beautiful is that? And like gorgeous blushy highlight color. I can see why that's so popular. The last one I have is gold. One is called Spotlight, which I guess it's kind of, the Spotlight one is actually the champagne color, which is opposite from the outside the tubing. I would think like this is the champagne color and this is the gold color. Same thing here. Gold shade is darker, more pigmented, definitely gold. This is very gold. This is gonna look good on darker skin tones. Anyone with yellow or olive undertones, really beautiful. Blends in quite well. Same with like these 2 are in the same category. This blends out really subtly. So most skin tones can probably use this one because it blends out so much. Sometimes that strong gold pigment doesn't look great on like cool skin tones, not all skin tones, but it blends out really well, so it will look good on a lot of people. I'm gonna go in with the Spotlight shade and apply this for you. Very simple application. That's the beauty of this product, is it's just so easy to use. What I like to do is apply right on the cheekbone, and I just use my finger. That's the beauty of this, is it's so easy just to use your hands quickly and blend it in there. I like to put a little down here and kind of connect the 2 so that when you move around, you can see that highlight. The last thing I like to use it for is right on the tip of the nose. Cute that looks. Gives you that kind of little pointed end of your nose. And then I like to put a little bit here too. Just kind of contours or brings light to the nose and face, how I like to. So that is it. Honestly, like it's so easy to apply. You just put this on your skin where you like it, blend it in with your hand. You can bring it on the go. The other one is great. The one pink one you can use for blush and highlight. It's like a 1 product type thing. Really easy to use, gorgeous product. I'd recommend to like beginners in makeup, and obviously people who are more advanced in makeup, because it's just a great product. But that is my review on the Tilbury Hollywood Beauty Light Wand Easy Highlighters. Love them. I hope you guys get to try them. and love them as much as I do. Don't forget to like this video down below and follow me here at hall_ward on YouTube. I post every single week. And don't forget to head over to Instagram and follow me at hall_ward as well. As always, I hope you have a wonderful week and I'll see you next time.